Hello guys, how are you today? Now I'll show you how you can add woocommerce.php in your WordPress free theme. So this is a WordPress theme. I have created it and this theme is available in free in wordpress.org here. So this is my free WordPress theme. It's working fine here and this theme is completely compatible with WooCommerce. So I have added the woocommerce.php here. If you see that this is the all of the theme files, then I have add woocommerce.php. So the problem to adding the woocommerce.php, why you should not add woocommerce.php, I will just explain it. You can see the shop page, all product is showing fine and the product single page also looking nice. So what the problem to add the woocommerce.php? So if you add the woocommerce.php, then you cannot extend the woocommerce custom template like archive.php. So if you read the WooCommerce documentation, how to add, how to extend WooCommerce template. In their documentation, they have said you cannot extend archive.php while you are adding woocommerce.php in your WordPress theme because woocommerce.php has high priority from other template. So how you can solve this type of issue? So you need to delete the woocommerce.php, then you just replacing the. So what happened after replacing the woocommerce.php? You can see the page has been broken. So how you can solve this type of issue? So let's see it. Just copy the file, then woocommerce directory, create a new file which name is archive product.php. Then paste the copied file, copy this code, then paste the code here. If you check, the shop page is now okay, but product single page is still have problem. So let's fix it. To fix the product single page, you need to extend a new template which name it product single.php. Then paste the code again here. Then check the file. Sorry, this will be single product. Now you can see that the product single page is looking fine now. So what the problem when you are adding woocommerce.php in your WordPress theme? The problem I have told you, you cannot extend the archive file and product single page. So let's see the live example. I am just still keeping the woocommerce.php. Then I have a child theme where has custom archive page. Let's activate the child theme. activated, then click on shop page. We can see that the shop page is broken because there has parent theme archive.php. So you need to remove the woocommerce.php to solve this type of issue. So let's remove it now. WooCommerce 2. Now it's looking good. Product single page also looking nice. So you have understand that woocommerce.php is harmful for your theme while you are trying to extend WooCommerce custom template. So this was the video tutorial for you today. So if you think my video is useful for you, then please subscribe my YouTube channel to support me. Thank you very much.